A very good afternoon, Dutch bike blogger here. The weekend has started. It's a somewhat longer weekend. I go home an hour earlier than was on schedule. So I have part of the afternoon I'm free from work, and I only started work on Monday on 11:30, so a little bit longer weekend, not bad at all. When I came to work I had a little bit issue with my intestines, little problem. It's a little bit better now, so we made it through the day. That's only good. Well, trying to go home in an orderly fashion. I'm not on time, so I can do it quite slowly. Little bike computer update. I ordered 2 bike computers. One was received, the other one was not received. I sent a dispute on AliExpress to get my €4.30 back. I told them that I ordered 2, 1 week apart. One was delivered, the other one didn't. So they have to tell me what's going on. Expectancy is that they will give me a rubbish answer, like, well, it's delivered. No, it's not. I didn't sign for anything, so it can't be here. Can't be here. It's not possible. By the way, last shipment was not delivered directly to home, but on an access point and delivery pickup point. I got a letter from PostNL which told me that I could go there. I did not get that letter. Only thing I could do, but I should have done earlier, go to the pickup point and ask if there is a package for me on my name, and that a letter was not sent to me. On the other hand, the letter is sent by PostNL itself, so probably didn't receive the package. And shipper has my email address, so when the package was returned he should have responded to me, I think. Well, and also we have to see when we get home what YouTube makes of my subscribers, because they sent me a message. It's a message not only to me but to everybody, that my subscriber count will go down because there were spam accounts and closed downs. Accounts were closed down. Google YouTube account is linked to a Google account, so not sure what that's about, but when you delete one, the other one will also be deleted, but probably had some issues. We'll see what is being left. Busy here. Friday afternoon traffic on the bike lane. No clue why it's that busy here. Normally people wouldn't go to school at this point in time. They would have gone earlier. The driver from the opposite direction was driving a little bit faster than I expected, but we made it. Not sure what the van driver behind me is doing. Driving quite fast, and now he's stuck behind me. I have a very wide bike of 2 meters, so he cannot overtake me. Of course that's rubbish, just making fun. Just saw an elderly lady walking, well, moving, not walking. I'm considering myself very lucky that I'm in the shape I am. I'm not in super shape, but I'm in shape. At least my legs are. Then I'm able to drive a bike. Then I'm mobile. I would like when I'm an older age that I would like to be able to ride my bike and be mobile too, still. You don't always have the choice. Life just throws you some problems. You have to deal with it. Some idiot in the van shouting at me, stick out your hand. Well, I did. You just didn't see it because it was on the wrong side. Dumbass. Let's go over the parking lot by this building. Let's have a look for a brief moment on how the Helix building, the apartment building, is going. Hopefully it's on progress. Probably not, but it doesn't hurt to go there and film sometimes. Because when it's there, it's there. I cannot film in the past, so let's have a look there. still laughing about people almost stopping on the ring road to tell me that I did something wrong. Well, it could have been, but well, looks like another layer is on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows. Fun fact, you would expect windows on every floor the same way, but it's not. So it could be different apartments. Like in the fourth floor, 1, 2, 3 windows at the side, then the second also 3 windows on a different place, then 4 windows, then again 3, and then again 4. So there is some, well, how you do call it, some variation. Well, a piece of concrete is pulled up at the moment. Hoisting it up, turning the crane. And now it's out of view. Different part of the building. It's gonna be high. 70 meters. We are not even at 25%, I think. Stand underneath the crane. It's still a big crane. On top you can see the cables are running, and well, they let the load drop there, of course in an orderly way. Let's try to figure out if I can film it from a other location. I have to drive back a little, drive on the bike lane. I have to stop there somewhere. Hopefully I can see get a nice view in. Maybe it's totally busy that I cannot park there, but I'm gonna try anyhow, or anyway. Some image from this side. Steel wire, this mesh is here that has to go on the concrete, and let's get a decent picture in. crane moving. You can see my checklist or playlist for building a construction crane. Maybe you'd like to view that. Well, same here, some variations in the floors. Looks totally random, but it's not. A little bit more distance to the fence. Building there is awfully close to that building, or the other way around. This building is very close to the building there. And you're also very close to the ring road. Not sure why that's done. No traffic at the moment, so I can go here. Well, that's it from here. Let's go home. Oh, that was a nice view. Go and do that every week. I think they're building a floor a week or something. Not sure what speed is in there and what's the planning there. Hey. Well, driving directly to home. I have to shower, wash my hair and get to the hairdressers. And as you call it in Holland, kapper. I have to have my hair cut. By the way, next Sunday, 16th of December, no casino update. It's going to be opening at the 16th of the 18th. Tuesday, so I will try to go on Tuesday. Hopefully there'll be some festivities. I don't know, but we have to see. Idiot parking from a German was speeding beside me. Now you park like stupid on the bike lane. Well, almost home. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. It's totally for free. If you have any comments, questions, please do so in the comment section below. And I will see you next time. Have a great day, weekend. And try to be safe out there.